Google Circle to Search is a powerful feature that lets you draw a circle around any part of your screen to instantly search it online. It's perfect for finding images, text, or info with just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the simple steps to get it set up on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Now, let me show you how this Google Circle to Search feature works on Windows. Now here I have this program up and running here in the system tray, and a bit later in the video I will also show you how to install this program so it will be set up properly to work on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And now let me show you a real world scenario how to use this feature. Now here I have this dog image which I got from the internet, and I want to know what kind of breed this dog actually is. Now, to activate this program, you will press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard and you will see this overlay. And now you'll pretty much draw a rectangle around your subject. In this case, this dog. And right now this program should run a search inside your default browser for Google Lens. And you can see here that it actually correctly detected the breed of the dog, which is Golden Retriever. Now, this is not the only way you can actually activate this program. You guys can also go here to the system tray where you have this program up and running, and you guys can left click on it to start the search. As you can see, we have here the same overlay, and now we can draw this rectangle around the subject and it should start the search inside your default web browser. So it works really nicely. Let me also show you how many of the resources it actually takes or it's actually using here at the moment. Down below we can clearly see here Snipping Lens, it's taking 5.5 CPU and also 70 megabytes of memory. So not that much for what it actually offers. And now you might be asking yourself, where are those images actually saved? Here we can go to this GitHub page for Snipping Lens. This is basically the program which enables the Google Circle to search on Windows. And down below here, we can pretty much go under this question under the FAQs. Where are my screenshots uploaded? Are they stored permanently? Screenshots are uploaded to Litterbox, a free and anonymous image hosting service solely for the purpose of generating a URL that can be used with Google Lens. Images uploaded to Litterbox are not stored permanently, they automatically expire and are deleted after 1 hour. No user information is attached to the upload, and the application does not keep any record of your screenshots. So this is basically how it works. So it saves the images on the Litterbox. The images are pretty much then deleted after 1 hour. Now in this application, you guys can also right click on it and then click here on show logs. You can pretty much see here uploading the images, as you can see, to Litterbox here under the log. And yeah, this is basically how it works. So it uploads the images to Litterbox and then it converts the URL to your Google Lens search. Now let me show you how to install it on your computer. It's very easy to do so as well. So basically what you will do, you will go here to this GitHub page, and now here you will click on the releases, and down below you will click on the .exe file. So this executable file. However, you guys can also install this on Linux via app image or Debian package. So click here on .exe file, double left click on it, and you should see here this icon in the system tray. And that is pretty much it, how you install this application. So Google Circle to Search. And once you have it up and running, you guys will also see here that it added here itself to the startup application. So whenever you restart or start your computer, this application will be running here in the system tray. And I'll just remember, click on Windows plus Shift plus S key to actually start the search. So very easy to do so and really handy application if you ask me. Now, if you guys are interested in this wallpaper, I made a brand new wallpaper pack, which you guys can check out in the video description down below. If you enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all around in the next one.